Alright, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang gross method versus our net method. So, before we jump into the journal entries na gagamitin natin ang gross method at net method, pag-usapan muna natin ang dalawang klaseng discounts. So, there are two discounts. The first one is a trade discount and the other one is the cash discount. Alright, so ano ba itong trade discount na ito? Ang trade discount ay ino-offer ng isang company sa kanyang mga customers or wholesalers para bumili sila ng mas maraming goods. Yan ang purpose ng trade discount. So to get our trade discount, we are going to start with the least price. Ano ba itong least price? Itong least price na ito, yan talaga ang presyo ng inventories na binibili ng isang customers or wholesalers. But then, because bibili sila ng mas maraming inventories, itong company nag-o-offer siya ng trade discounts. So, sa trade discount, minaminus po natin ito sa ating least price. So, kapag minus natin ang ating trade discount from our least price, makukuha po natin ay invoice price. Alright? And then, ano ba itong cash discount na ito? Kapag nabili na siya ng customers, itong company nag-o-offer ng cash discount para itong customer or wholesalers na bumili sa kanya ay magbayad ng maaga. Binibigyan sila ng discount period. So, within that discount period, kapag nagbayad sila, meron silang cash discount. Alright? So, itong cash discount na ito, minaminus natin yan sa invoice price. Alright? So, yan ang ating trade discount at cash discount. So, trade discount, ino-offer yan para mas maraming bibilhin si buyer or wholesalers. Itong cash discount naman, ino-offer yan for the customers to pay promptly. So, on trade discounts, this is presented as a percentage. Let's say, for example, we have 15% trade discounts. And usually, sa trade discount, nag-o-offer sila ng isang trade discount. Kung mas marami ka pang bibilhin, bibigyan ka ulit ng another discount. Yan ang ating second discount. So, for example, we have 15 discount as our first discount and 10% for our second trade discount. So, let's say, for example, meron tayong lease price na 2 million. So, paano natin i-calculate ang ating trade discount kung meron tayong lease price of 2 million? So, ganito po yan. We will less our first discount of 15%. At ang pag-compute or pag-calculate ng ating first trade discount is we take our lease price of 2 million multiplied by 15%. Yan ang first trade discount natin. So, 2,000 times 15%, we come out with 300,000. So, after the first trade discount, our balance is 1,700,000. Then, i-compute natin yung second discount natin. Ang base ng ating second discount this time is yung balance na 1,700,000. Alright? So, our second trade discount is 1,700,000 multiplied by the 10% second trade discount. So, we will come out with 170,000 second trade discount. So, we come out with an invoice price of 1,530,000. Now, there another way of calculating this invoice price. Okay, shortcut ito. Ganito yan. Mag-umpisa ka ng lease price of 2 million. I-multiply natin ngayon sa 100% less our 15%. Then, we will come out with 1,700,000. Kasi 85% na less na po yung 15% na discount. So, ito na po yung balance natin. Alright? Then, ang gagawin mo is, i-multiply ulit natin ito sa 90%. Bakit 90%? 100% less the second discount of 10%, 90% lang ang portion nun. Okay? Then, 1,700,000 multiplied by 90%, yan na po yung natitira after the second discount. So, we will come out with the same amount of 1,530,000. Ito na rin po yung invoice price. If you want to determine the invoice price, shortcut po ito. Dito sa trade discounts, sa list price, hindi natin yan nire-record. So kapag bumili tayo, nag-offer ang seller ng list price at trade discount, minaminus natin lahat ng trade discount at yung invoice price lang ang nire-record natin as our purchases. Your trade discounts na 300,000 at 170,000, hindi yan kasama sa ating amount ng ating purchases. Ito lang po ang ating purchases. Pero para makuha mo yung invoice price, you still have to determine what's the list price at saka yung trade discount para makuha mo yung invoice price. Pero hindi natin nire-record yung list price at hindi rin natin nire-record ang trade discount. So ano naman itong cash discount? Kagaya ng sabi ko, a cash discount, ino-offer yan ng seller sa kanyang mga customers para magbayad sila kaagad. Binibigyan sila ng discount period. So kapag nagbayad ang customer within discount period, meron silang discount. Hindi nila binabayaran yung buong invoice price kapag within the discount period. So, on cash discount, ito naman nire-represent parang fraction. Let's say, for example, we have 2% over 10 days. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, merong 2% na cash discount si customer within the 10 days. Wala siyang discount kapag beyond 10 days na siya, pero kailangan niyang bayaran within 30 days. Now, paano natin nakaka-calculate ang cash discount? So, cash discount naman, minaminus natin yan sa invoice price. Alright? So we have an invoice price of 1,530,000. Then we will minus our cash discounts. So our cash discount is 1,530,000 times 2%. So we come out with 30,600 na cash discount. So, ima-minus po natin yan sa ating invoice price. So, kapag nagbayad ang customer, ang babayaran lang niya is the net amount. So, the net amount on this is 1,499,400. This is your net amount. So, sa gross method, ang nire-record ng company ay itong amount na 1,530,000, yung invoice price. Ito ang ginagamit ng gross method. Sa net method naman, ang ginagamit ay itong net amount. So, ito po yung ating trade discount at cash discount. So, paano natin nire-record ito? So, we have two methods na pwede nating i-record ang purchases na ito. We can use gross method or a net method. Siyempre, ang gagawin ko dito is, I will make a column, tapos yung first column will be our transaction. Then, dito sa dalawang column, ang ating gross method. Then, isusulat natin kung ano ang ating entries sa bawat method na ito. So, you can see the difference side by side. So, gagamitin pa rin natin itong amounts na ito. Sa gross method, gagamitin natin yung invoice price na 1,530,000. Sa net method, gagamitin natin ay 1,499,400. So, paano natin nire-record yan? So, ganito po yan. So, ganito po ang pag-records ng ating mga purchases using our gross methods and our net methods. Ito yung mga transactions na pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating purchases. Alright? So, first, i-record muna natin ang ating purchases. Kung remember mo yung ating list price of 2 million at meron tayong discount na 15% at saka ng 10% second trade discount. Alright, we come out with our invoice price of 1,530,000. So, to record the purchases using the gross method, we will debit our purchases. So, we will debit our account purchases kapag gumagamit ka ng periodic system. Remember, periodic system, gumagamit tayo ng account na purchases, gumagamit tayo ng account na free-in, at gumagamit tayo ng account na purchase discount. On this video, gagamit tayo ng periodic system. To record the purchases, we debit our purchases of 1,530,000, yung gross amount ng invoice price natin. Kasi gross method. And then, we credit our accounts payable. So, inutang yan ng company natin. Under net method naman, ang ating journal entry is debit to the purchases and credit to the accounts payable, pero magkaiba sila ng amount. Alright? So, we debit purchases. So, sa net method, yung net amount mo ang nire-record sa net method. Alright? Then, we credit our accounts payable of the same amount. Alright? So, yan po ang ating journal entries kapag ni-record mo yung purchases using our gross method or our net method. Pinagkaiba lang nila is yung amount. Let's say, for example, itong purchases natin, pinurchase natin ito ng December 12. So, remember, the cash discount is 2/10. Ang ibig sabihin, makaka-avail ka ng 2% na cash discount kapag nagbayad ka within 10 days. Alright? So, let's say, for example, nagbayad tayo ng December 20. Nagbayad tayo ng December 20 and that's still within the discount period. So, sa gross method, ang magiging entry natin is debit to accounts payable. Siyempre, aalisin mo na yung 1,530,000 na utang mo kasi nga, binayaran mo na siya. Then, we credit our cash. So, magkano naman ngayon ang binayad niya sa seller? Dahil nagbayad siya within the discount period, meron siyang cash discount. So, if you remember, the cash discount is 30,600. Alright? That is 2% of your 1,530,000. So, ang cash na binigay niya is the net amount of 1,499,400 kasi naka-avail siya ng discount. And the other credit will credit to purchase discount. And that is computed as 1,530,000 times the 2%. So we come out with 30,600 as a purchase discount. So, saan natin nilalagay ang purchase discount na account? Minaminus po natin yan sa ating purchases to get our net purchases. Now, under net method naman, kapag nagbayad siya at ang ginagamit niya is net methods, alright, payment within the discount period, ang entry natin, aalisin na natin yung ating accounts payable or ating liability kasi nga nagbayad tayo. So, we debit our accounts payable of 1,499,400 and we credit our cash na binayad natin. So, remember, sa net method, ang nire-record lang niya is yung net amount. So, kapag nagbayad siya within the discount period, yung amount na yan na utang niya, yun din ang babayaran niya. Now, paano kung hindi siya nagbayad within the discount period? So, nagbayad na siya beyond the discount period. Paano natin i-entry yun? Alright. So, let's say, for example, nagbayad ang company ng December 26. Alright, that's beyond the discount period. Kasi kung titingnan mo, nag-purchase siya December 12, ang discount period niya is 10 days. So, dapat magbabayad siya before December 22. Dahil nagbayad siya ng December 26, that's beyond the discount period. So, anong magiging entry natin kapag ang ginagamit natin ay gross method? So, ang magiging entry natin is debit to accounts payable kung magkano yung utang natin. And credit to the cash of 1,530,000. Bakit 1,530,000? Yung invoice price kasi hindi niya na-avail yung 2% na cash discount because nagbayad siya beyond the discount period. Now, dito naman sa net method, ang magiging entry natin nung nag-buy siya ng December 26, which is beyond the discount period, our entry is debit to the accounts payable. Alisin na natin yan sa ating liability kasi nagbayad na nga po tayo. Of 1,499,400. So there's another debit. We will record this purchase discount loss. Yung cash discount niya is 30,600. Yun ang na-loss niya. Dahil hindi niya na-avail. So we credit our cash of 1,530,000. Yan ang binayaran ng company dahil hindi niya na-avail yung discount. Yung purchase discount loss na account ay other expense sa income statement natin. And here comes the year-end at mag-prepare na ang company ng kanyang financial statement. Under gross method, wala tayong adjustment. This is December 31st. On December 31st, on your end, at hindi pa nakakabayad ang company ng accounts payable sa pinurchase niyang inventories, under gross method, wala siyang adjustment. But, under net method naman is magkakaroon tayo ng adjustments. Anong i-adjust natin? Kung sa year-end at hindi pa nakakabayad ang company sa kanyang pinurchase na inventories and the company is using net method, kailangan meron siyang adjustment. Ano ba ang dapat nating i-adjust? At year-end of December 31st, that's beyond the cash discount. So, ang ibig sabihin, hindi na siya kaka-avail ng cash discount. So, magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng adjustment at magkakaroon tayo ngayon ng tinatawag na account na purchase discount lost kung hindi pa siya nakakabayad. So, we debit our purchase discount loss of 30,600 and we will credit our accounts payable of 30,600. Alright? Idadagdag natin yan sa ating accounts payable dahil hindi na tayo makaka-avail ng cash discount. So, all in all, ang accounts payable natin ay yung invoice price, which is 1,530,000. Alright, so we credit accounts payable of 30,600. Ito po ang ating gross method versus our net method. Sana nakatulong sa iyong pag-analyze ng mga problems sa inventories. I'll see you on my next video, Inventory Cost Flow.